Good morning, friends. And I'm reading from Gospel according to Mark, chapter 5, verse 15 onwards, a portion of my quiet time. Whenever you read the Bible, look for surprises. Notice the turning point in the plot and ask the question, why? And then it becomes much more meaningful as you read. Let me read to you from Mark chapter 5, verse 15 onwards till verse 20. Let's read till verse 20.
Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive more notification.
When they came to Jesus, they saw the man who had been possessed by the legions of demons, sitting there dressed and in his right mind. And they were afraid. Those who had seen it told the people what had happened to the demon-possessed man and told about the pigs as well. Then the people began to plead with Jesus to leave their region. As Jesus was getting into the boat, the man who had been demon-possessed begged to go with him. Jesus did not let him, but said, "Go home to your family and tell them how much the Lord has done for you and how he has had mercy on you." So the man went away and began to tell in the Decapolis how much Jesus has done for him, and all the people were amazed. We are reading the story of a demon-possessed man who has been healed by Jesus. This demon-possessed man who was often been chained and he was unable to be subdued. We read in verse 5 that night and day among the tombs and in the hills he would cry out and cut himself with the stones. So here is a suffering man whom Jesus had healed. People come to know that this person has been healed. They come to see him and find him that he is dressed and in his right mind. But they were afraid. They were not happy. They were not surprised with the miracle that has happened, but they were afraid. Why they were afraid? Because he had become all right. He had been healed at the expense of 2,000 pigs. We read in verse 12, the demon begged Jesus, "Send us among the pigs, allow us to go into them." And in verse 13 he says, he gave them permission, and the evil spirit came out and went into the pigs. The herd, about 2,000 in number, rushed down the steep bank into the lake, and they were drowned. So these people are afraid for their pigs. They don't want to lose any more pigs. And so the people began to plead Jesus to leave the region. Sometimes pigs becomes more important than human being. That's what is happening in our country with all the lynching of the human beings for the sake of cows. The cows become more important. The pigs become sometimes more important. And this person, although now he is dressed up and in his right mind, he was not accepted in the society. He was not welcome. And so, as Jesus was getting into the boat, the man who had been demon-possessed, he begged to go with him. Instead of, now wanting to stay back in the village and go back to the family, he knew for sure that he is not going to be accepted. He has been already treated very badly. When he was suffering, there was no one to take care of him. And he found Jesus, who cared for him when he was demon-possessed. And so, he believed that Jesus would love him now that he is healed even more. And so he begged Jesus. He wanted to go with Jesus. But Jesus did not let him and said, "Go home to your family and tell them how much the Lord has done for you and how he has had mercy on you." But the turning point in verse 20 we see, so the man went away and began to tell. We don't see the word family here. We see he began to tell in Decapolis. He began to speak to the other people. It seems like he could not go to the family. Even his family did not receive. This is very common thing that we see when some NGOs, when they recover human trafficked girl who have been oppressed and suppressed, and when they want to rehabilitate and want to send her back to her family, even family do not want to have, because it's a matter of reputation, shame. He does not have acceptance in his own family. When you believe and receive Jesus Christ, it is possible that you may not be accepted by your own family, even though you want to go back to the family and tell them, but you may end up telling to other people and not to your own family. And so he began to tell in the Decapolis how much Jesus has done for him, and all the people were amazed. I thank God that his life became a blessing, and other people were able to receive the blessings. His family may not, but other. May God continue to use you in your life. May God continue to do amazing thing through your life. May you be blessed through him and in him as you continue to proclaim the good news to others. Blessings. Have a good day.
Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive more notification.